કેન એટલે પેલા આપણે મિલ્ક ના ને એના કેન આવે એમાં સક્સેસ નથી આવતી હો.
હા.
રાઈટ. કેન
યસ.
મીન્સ ઇટ્સ મે બી અકર ટુ ડુ. ટ્રાય કરીએ કે ઈ વર્ક થાય. એક વખતમાં કોઈ દિવસ કોઈ વર્ક થતું નથી. રાઈટ. આ વસ્તુને કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી તમારે ટ્રાય કરતી રહેવી પડે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે અત્યારે ઈ એજમાં છો કે જે એજની અંદર તમે યો બાઈક છે કે પછી સ્કૂટી ટાઈપની જેટલા બી સ્કૂટર હોય એને ટ્રાય કરતા હો કે નહી હું ઈ વસ્તુને શીખું. તો તમે પોતે એ વસ્તુને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરો છો કે ફર્સ્ટ ડેને તમે લઈને નીકળો તો તમારાથી હેન્ડલનો કંટ્રોલ નથી થતો, એક્સેલરેટર જે છે એ ફટાફટ આપી દો છો, બ્રેક જોરથી લાગી જાય છે. પછી એક સમય એવો આવે કે આફ્ટર ડુઈંગ ધ પ્રેક્ટિસ ઓફ 1 વીક, 2 વીક, 3 વીક, 1 મંથ તમે ઈ પોઝિશન પર પહોંચો કે તમે પોતે કોન્ફિડન્સથી એ વસ્તુ કહેશો કે મારી જેવી સ્કૂટર કોઈને ચલાવતા નથી આવડતી. અને ઈ એક સક્સેસ છે. અને એ સક્સેસ તમને ક્યારે મળી જ્યારે કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી ત્યારે. તમે ઘરમાં બેઠા રહો, બેઠા રહો, બેઠા રહો અને પછી એમ કહો કે અરે મારી જેવી સ્કૂટર કોઈ ન ચલાવી શકે. ઈ સાચું વર્ક નથી. રાઈટ. સાચી સક્સેસ નથી. તમારે જો સક્સેસ જોતી હોય તો તમારે એના માટે આવી રીતના બહાર આવવું પડે. રાઈટ. સો સક્સેસ કમ્સ ઇન કેન્સ નોટ કાન્ટ્સ. તમે એક વસ્તુ બોલતા રહો હું આ ન કરી શકું, હું આ ન કરી શકું તો તમને સક્સેસ નહીં મળે. એક વખત તમારે આઉટ ઓફ ધી ડેસ્ક એમ આપણે કહીએ ને બિયોન્ડ ધી લાઈન, લાઈનને ક્રોસ કરો. જે વસ્તુમાં તમને એમ લાગતું હોય કે નહીં આ વસ્તુ મારાથી નહીં થાય એમાં તમે લાઈનને ક્રોસ કરો. તમારે ડ્યુટીથી બહાર જાઓ અને એ વર્ક કરવાની ટ્રાય કરો. ડેફિનેટલી યુ વિલ ગેટ અ સક્સેસ. ક્લિયર ઓલ
યસ.
ઓફ યુ?
યસ સર.
Okay. Now tell me, in last lecture what we completed?
સર આપણે 5.2 નો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 પૂરો કર્યો હતો.
Good. 5.2 નો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યો હતો. ઓકે. Okay. So today we are going to start with question number 3. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people.
સર પાઈ ચાર્ટ તો થઈ ગયું છે.
Question number 3.
આ ક્વેશ્ચન 3 નથી જોવા.
Wait for a minute. We are checking here.
સર વિન્ટર, રેની અને સમર વાળું હતું.
હા બેટા, ઈ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 છે.
હા.
Now we have to do question number 3. Right?
યસ.
Okay. Okay, now you can see here. Here given that some data of 36 people, the color preferred by by a group of 36 people. And data given here, blue color preferred by 18 people, green color is preferred by 9 people, red color is preferred by 6 people, and yellow color is preferred by 3 people.
Three people.
Out of these 36 people, we have data about 4 different color. First of all, we are converting this information into degree, right? And then after you can represent this every degree in our pie chart, means in a circle. So first of all, what is the degree of blue color? What is the degree of blue color? How can we find? See here. Blue color is preferred by 18 people out of 36 people, right? Into the degree of circle, it is 360 degree. Now you can easily see 18 to the 36 to 180 there. So we get 180 degree for blue color. Now for green color, there are 9 people preferred green color out of 36 people into 360 degree of a circle. Now you can see 9 4s are 36 and 4 90s are 360 degree. So we get 90 degree. For red color, there are 6 people who are preferring a red color out of 36 into 360 degree of circle. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 60s are 360 degree. No, sorry, it is only 60 degree, right? And in last, we have yellow color. Yellow color preferred by 3 people out of 36 into the degree of circle 360 degree. 3 12s are 36 and 12 30s are. So what is the answer? 30 degree. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
here first we are converting this information, given information into degree. Now with the help of protractor, you can easily represent this every data in our circle, means in our pie chart. So what is the circle? We are drawing here some circle. See, see. In this circle, first of all, we have to represent radius, right? So it is our radius, for example. Now you can see blue color is preferred by 18 people, and the degree for blue color, it is 180 degree. Right, so 180 degree, it means it is straight line. So it means this angle, it is known as blue color, and it is about 180 degree. Clear?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
green color. Green color, we have 90 degree. So 90 degree means it is perpendicular. It means it is 90 degree green color. Then red color, it is 60 degree. It is 60 degree and it is a red color. And the rest of the 30 degree, it is about yellow color. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So it is your question number 3. Now we can see some answer we have to give. No, no, no. Okay, just we have to draw a pie chart. So it is your pie chart, right? Now you can see question number 4. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science, and science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? So far, sorry. And the second question, how many more marks were obtained by the students in mathematics than in Hindi? And question number 3, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Just study the central angles. It is our hint. Okay. Now here you can see we have pie chart. Out of this pie chart, we have to uh, from this pie chart, we are taking some information. For example, in pie chart, we know that every data is given in form of degree. So first of all, we are converting this degree into marks of every subject, right? So see here, first of all, we are writing this 5 subject. In question number 4, there are 5 subjects, right? Maths, science, social science, Hindi, and English. Clear? And
Yes.
the degree of maths is 90, 80, 65. 90, 80, 65. And for Hindi and English, it is 70 and 55. Right? It is given. Here given
Yes.
a degree. And the given the total marks obtained by the student, it is 540, right? So out of this 540, how many marks get in maths, how many marks get in science, how many marks in get in social, in Hindi, in English? So first of all, we are converting this degree into marks. So how can you convert? See here, whenever you convert any data into degree, what we are taking, how many? For example, this question number 3, out of 36 people, 18 people are preferred blue color. So we are taking 18 people, divide by total number of people 36, and into degree of circle. Same thing, here we are doing this process in reversing form. We are converting degree into marks. So what we have to do, out of 360 degree, for maths we have 90 degree, right? So it means 90 degree divided by total number of degree 360 degree into the total number of marks in a circle, it is 540 marks. Now divide these two, we get the marks in maths. So you can see 0 will be cut, 9 4s are 36. 540 divided by 5. What is the answer? 133, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no? No, 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 no. It's not 133. 125, 10, 135, sorry. 135 marks in maths. Same thing if you want to find the marks of science. So in science we have 80 degree out of 360 degree into 540 we are multiplying. Now divide these two. So 0 will be cut, 18 twos are and 18 threes are. So it means 2 40s are, we get 43s are 120 marks in science. Then in social, we have 65 degree out of 360 degree into 540 degree. Okay, so see, 0 will be cut, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Now you can see we cannot divide, so 65 3s are 195 and 195 divided by 2. We get 97.5 marks in social. Now in English, we have 55 degree, right? Divide by total degree 360 into total marks 540. So 18 twos are in 18 threes are 55 threes are 165 and 165 divided by 2. We get 82.5 marks in English. And in last we have Hindi. In Hindi we have 70 degree out of 360 degree into total number of marks it is 540. Divide this two, so 235 are 70 and 35 threes are we get 105 marks. So first from the given information we are find the marks of each subject. It means out of 540 marks in maths we get 135 marks, in science we get 120 marks, in social we get 97.5 marks, in English we get 82.5 marks, and in Hindi we get 105 marks. Right? Now we are able to give the answers of given questions. So first given question is, here you can see, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? So simple, you can see in which subject the student get 105 marks in Hindi. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So in first question, what is your answer? It is Hindi. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see the second question. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Maths ની અંદર હિન્દી કરતા કેટલા માર્ક્સ વધારે? So simple, you can see in maths we have 135 marks, in Hindi we have 105 marks. So we can easily say that 30 marks we have more in maths than Hindi. Clear?
Yes.
So what is the answer of
Yes.
second question? It is 30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And the last question, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Okay, you can see the marks of social and maths. Marks of maths is 135, marks of social it is 97.5. So 135 plus 97.5, what is the total? 232.5. What is the total? 232.5.
0.5.
Right? Now the total of science and Hindi. Add. Science means 120 marks and Hindi means 105 marks. So what is the total? 120 and 105? 225. So yes, definitely the sum of maths and social marks are more than that the sum of science and Hindi. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, write down question number 3 and 4.
સર આન્સર 3 માં શું હતું?
In answer
હેલો.
3, we have to just examine the sum of maths and Hindi are more than that the sum of science and Hindi. The sum of maths and social, it is 232.5 marks. And the sum of science and Hindi, it is 225 marks. So it means the sum of maths and social are more than that science and Hindi.
તો શું હતો આન્સર 3 નો? બોલો આન્સર ક્વેશ્ચન 3 નો.
First, write down these two things, and then after I will show you the question of 3. In question number 3, we have no answer. We just examine this thing. Just write down this question number 3 and 4 first. Please draw a pie chart with the help of rounder. Please draw a circle. And with the help of protractor, you have to measure every sector of this blue color, red color, yellow color, green color. Don't do this everything with rough work, right?
ઓકે
Please
સર.
show a proper pie chart in every question.
ઓકે સર. सर हो गया।
Written all of you question number 3 and 4.
Yes.
Those who are still writing, please write down fast. Inshallah, from Thursday, we are going to start our offline lecture again. So please be prepared for your lecture. Please take a bottle of sanitizer. Please wear a mask
Yes.
properly. And please behave yourself in our school so that we are 100% secure from this COVID 19 pandemic, and we will try to do our education level best.
Well, best. Sir,
Yes,
yes. School is opening from Thursday.
yes.
Yes. Okay.
Inshallah, from Thursday, we will start our offline lecture.
Sure, finish.
Okay. Now, see question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in our pie chart. Here there are number of students 72. Out of these 72 students, 40 students are speaking Hindi, 12 students are speaking English, 9 students are speaking Marathi, 7 students are speaking Tamil, and 4 students are speaking Bengali. We have this data. First of all, we are converting this data into degree, and then after we can represent this degree data into our circle. It is known as pie chart, right? So there are 5 languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, and Bengali. Just we can write here the name of this every language. See, there are 5 languages: Hindi, then English, then Marathi, then Tamil, and then Bengali. Right? Hindi,
Yes.
there are 40 students are speaking. English, there are 12 students are speaking. Marathi, there are 9 students are speaking. Tamil, there are 7 students are speaking. And Bengali, there are 4 students are speaking. Okay, now given this data, we are converting this data into degree, right? So 40 students are speaking Hindi out of 72 students. We are multiplying with 360 degree of a circle. We get the degree of students who speaking Hindi, right? So you can see 72 fives are. So 40 fives are 200 degree we get about Hindi language. Then in English, so we are dividing with 72 because of there are 72 total students and into 360 degree. So we get 72 fives are 12 fives are 60 degree. Then in Marathi, there are 9 students. Marathi speaking 9 students out of 72 students into 360 degree. So we get 72 fives are 360 degree, 9 fives are 45 degree. Now you can see in Tamil, there are 7 students out of 72 into the degree of circle 360 degree. 72 fives are 360 degree. So we get 7 fives are 35 degree. And for Bengali, 4 divided by 72 students into 360 degree. We get 72 fives are 360 degree and 4 fives are 20 degree. Right? So we get here, it is known as the degree of every language is speaking in a hostel, right? Now we have to convert this information into a pie chart. We are representing. And whenever you represent, first of all, draw a circle with some radius, right? We are taking, for example, okay. Now with the help of protector, first of all, draw a radius one, set a protector on this radius, and now we are taking 200-degree angle for Hindi language. Now we know that 180-degree means it is straight line, and 200-degree means below the straight line. For example, it is the angle 200-degree for Hindi H. And then for English, we have 60-degree. So we are taking 60-degree for Hindi. Sorry, English. Then 45-degree for Marathi. So we are taking 45-degree for Marathi. And then 35-degree for Tamil. So we are taking 35-degree for Tamil. And then rest of the angle, 20-degree angle, it is for Bengali, right? So like this, we have to represent this every degree data in our
Yes.
pie chart. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, write down question number 5.
Return.
Please better draw a pie chart very well. Okay?
Sir, finish.
Okay, here your exercise 5.2 completed. Now in next lecture, inshallah, tomorrow we have two lectures. In these two lectures, we will complete exercise 5.3, then our chapter will be finished. And inshallah, on Thursday, when we meet in offline lecture, I think we will start one new chapter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Written all of
Yes.